Please don't.
All that gold as well.
Please don't kill my vassals.
Listen, what if I killed him and gave you 16,000 gold? Rage, yes or no?
On what?
Just yes or no.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know what the. Oh, okay.
I don't know what he's asking, but
We're making.
I gave you a yes or no. I was gonna go help Cloud, but you said no. So I was gonna
Shit.
break my contract and teleport to Cloud.
Shit.
Because I had a contract for you to help you kill those people, but Rage kinda.
Well, there goes that. That was shit.
Rage
Oh.
kinda said no.
well, sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles.
Alright, we're looking pretty good on here. Oh shit, Lothar's right there. Motherfucking dick. Yeah, Lothar's coming. So you know what? We'll go to the south. Take Green Crossroads. Attack up and take his property.
Damn. Rage, the person that you just vassalized wants me to kill your vassal. Your, like, Viking vassal.
My other vassal?
Yeah. So, like, so my bounty, he's, like, the sightless wants me to kill Leahy, whatever the fuck that name is.
Yeah,
16,000 gold.
Wow. Please don't.
All that gold as well.
Please don't kill my vassals.
Listen, what if I killed him and gave you 16,000 gold?
Helix, you like my TikToks here recently? Oh, I died.
What
Are
happened?
you fucking kidding me? Another Lorthor? Oh,
Oh,
you're fucked, dude.
no, he doesn't exist anymore. That's just off your caravan.
I know, but I'm going to fuck him.
You can't. He doesn't exist.
No, that guy. I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah, he doesn't exist, Cloud.
Oh, he's
But
just an
he-
NPC?
Yeah, it's just a one-time thing for him attacking
Oh.
your thing.
Oh yeah, I've used these dragon ogres before. Yeah, they're good.
They're
I just don't know if they were.
real
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
I need to get a third army as fast as possible. Like now, as fast as possible.
Of course.
Sorry, a fourth army. My bad. And I know exactly what I'm thinking that fourth army.
Take
Why
that!
are you giving me money right now?
Take it! Build the army!
I can't. I literally cannot.
Take the money.
Like, I don't think you understand. I need army capacity. That's how my faction works.
Take the money. It will do you
Alright.
good.
I just set up a portal right next to Archaon's capital.
Money will help.
I can head over there when I need to.
But Cloud, how will money help when my units are free?
Just take the money.
I'll take money.
I already took it. It's mine.
I am always down to take money.
Alright. Don't worry, guys. Mr. Cloud's coming in, 20 turns later.
Hey, you've done pretty well for having to recover from all the fuck you had to deal with in the beginning, so.
You see why my spot's so bad. Oof.
It is a bad spot, especially since you're kind of new to this character, and new to the game in general.
Yeah, that character's not for the fucking newbies. This game actually tells you what characters are like meant for new players.
Well, too
But,
bad.
like,
We're
it's not
getting
true.
thrown into the wolves.
Yeah, it is not true, like, at all, to be honest. Honestly, I might just have Morgul go do his own thing.
Alright, I'm about to start waging war on this piece of shit. First, I'm gonna activate the Blood God's Grudge.
See, that's not good. Should go down this way. You go down this way, take a right. Take a right at the exit. Take a left.
Not yet.
Do a twirl.
Oh, right. So because he's probably.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised we've been playing for this long.
Oh, dude, this game is addicting.
Yeah, I can play this game forever.
I'm already
Yeah,
out this
why don't we have a campaign rage, huh?
Because I work too much. I only play really when Cloud plays.
Yeah, it's true.
I have another friend that has this game, but he's also British. So I don't know how, like, the connection would be at that point. Also,
I
the
might
connection's not
build
that bad.
this plague tower. True! Bro, thank you so much for the 26 months support, bro. How was your fucking holidays, bro? I hope you had a blessed one with your family and friends. Thank you so much for all the love this 26 months. This rip